your boy E Profit. Welcome back to the process. And I'm out here cruising around in my girl. Y'all already know that, but so today I'm gonna make another short video, quick update. You know, I'm celebrating today. I hit a new milestone. I'm at 500 subs. So thank you everybody who locked in with me and who supported my process. I really appreciate that. You know, I know 500 ain't much, man, but I had 0 at one point in time, so I appreciate whatever I get. Been putting that hard work in, man, and trying to make good content and get my numbers up. But I think 500 is cool, man. We getting there slowly but surely. You know, especially when I ain't really been out here promoting myself too much, man. I only been to one car show and I networked with a couple of guys, man. One real cool cat from Detroit. But I ain't really been out here too much promoting myself, so to have 500 subscribers, man, all for doing nothing but just recording my content, I appreciate that. I gotta watch this road, man. I'm hitting my bumps. These little profiles can't take it, man. But anyway, so my update is, I got 3 prizes, remember? I said one was going to be a advanced auto parts gift card and then a $100 gift card, that subwoofer and enclosure. And I'm gonna change the advanced auto parts to make it an Amazon gift card. You know, I feel like that'd be better since I got female subscribers too, man, and you can go on Amazon and get whatever you want. So I'm gonna just do it that way for $25. A $25 Amazon gift card and a $100 gift card or Cashapp with the Skar Audio subwoofer. So those are my 3 prizes. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. I gotta make a list for everybody who entered my giveaway. Make a long list, put your name on there, your YouTube name, your Instagram name. I need everybody to go in there and make sure I got your name on there. If you follow my rules and your name should be on this list, but it's not, just leave me a message, leave me a comment, and I'll double check it and make sure y'all good, okay? I want everybody who support me to be in this giveaway, man. I know it ain't much, but it's still something, so it's just a token of my appreciation. But anyway, with that being said, I'm headed down to a cruise. They're cruising down 4th Street, down here, down River, Michigan. It's like a yearly, I think every weekend, I think it's like mainly a summertime tradition they do over here, down River. So I'm gonna go down here and show my little face and my little girl for a second, you know. I might get some of that footage, man, but it's gonna be a short video, like I said, so I ain't gonna bore y'all too long. Just stay locked in, watch out for this giveaway entry list. I'm gonna post my giveaway date. It'll be sometime this week, most likely. So stay locked in for the giveaway date, and then come on, win these prizes, man. So thank y'all for tuning in. As always, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like this video, share this video, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know about. And let's get to it.